Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering Hints. We had started Revit architecture course where we studied about different file types in Revit and Revit users. Now let's talk about user interface of Revit architecture. Revit architecture is a powerful CAD application that uses BIM methodology. Revit architecture is similar to other Windows-based applications that utilizes the Microsoft Office ribbon interface. It also has toolbars, dialog boxes, and windows that you can use to perform various tasks. When you start a Revit, by default the recent files windows appears where you can access the most recently opened projects and sample files that are pre-exist in a Revit. Even the most recent families can be opened from this page by just clicking on a project, or in the initial stages you can also open an existing project by clicking here open button and going in a browser, file browser, or you can create a new project. When you create a new project, as I described in the previous video, that we have several templates of Revit project where the construction template will have construction related families and tools that are helpful for a construction project, similar to architecture, structural, mechanical, system templates, electrical template, plumbing template. You can also browse a template, or you can create a new project template, or if you want, you can create the project without any template. For now, let's open the architectural template. Okay, as soon as you open the architectural any template project, as soon as you open a project, you can see there is this top ribbon that is common in most of the Windows applications. In this ribbon, the file opens into new. We have new. You can open a new project and family from here, or open an existing project IFC file. The IFC files are called in full form industry foundation classes. Or you can save this project. As soon as you open a project, please, first step you must follow is save, or you must set up a frequent saving methodology. By control yes, you can keep saving the project as soon as you finish one step, or you can export the PDFs, CAD formats, and IFC file from this project. Now in this ribbon we have architectural ribbon with all the architectural components. We have structural ribbon with only structural components of a project component. We have steel structure, precast structures, system. This is in the systems section. We have ducts, pipings, electrical equipment, mechanical equipment, plumbing equipments, all the necessary equipments for systems of a building. And from the insert tool you can link a Revit, other Revit project, link an IFC project, link a CAD, link a topography, link markups, DWF markers. You can also insert a photo as visible in this example. You can import a point cloud in order to recreate the objects in 3D space. You can import a coordination model. A coordination model is a type of model that includes um, other disciplines were embedded in the Navis works. I will also be doing Navis work tutorials. Please stay tuned. You can link PDFs, image, import CAD, PDFs, images, or you can open a Revit Autodesk families, which are not loaded yet, but you can like these columns, different designery column components can be imported. I will be going through them as we proceed along. Then you can also annotate the project with these tools. Analyze, you can create zones within the project, within the architectural area. In the massing and site, you can add site components or any mass. If you have a complicated shape like such you'll be able to create such complicated shapes using mass in place mass command. In the collaboration, you can collaborate your model into cloud, where collaboration is possible with the other architects or other uh, BIM specialists of different disciplines. In the viewport, you can access to different settings of this visual effects of the projects. In the manage section, you will have all the project parameters, properties, materials, object styles, snaps, and schedules. Everything is available in this place. And in the modified tool, you will have move, copy, align, offset, similar to AutoCAD commands. But if you hold on a move, you see that a small tutorial video also in the Revit, inside the Revit, and you can use this MV as a shortcut key on your keyboard in order to move an object. So this is all about the ribbon in the top. Before, on top of that ribbon, you have home button, which goes back to the recent files, and you have open, save, synchronize. This is possible when you have a collaboration model being created. Then revert back, forwarding, and printing PDF, exporting into PDF. All the dimensioning, and 3D view, section view, and closing all the views and having only one view per project, and switching the windows. For switching the windows, you can also use Windows tab. With help of control tab, you can shift between the project or windows inside the Revit. And then as soon as you open, you'll always be present in this plan view. Always. I closed it previously. Now let's talk about the properties. In the properties bar, you have the project components present here. If you select any component like this furniture and place it, click escape to go away. When you select, you can see in the properties of a furniture or a component, and you can open an edit type where it is possible to add values to the dimensions of the furniture or a component, or you can select a pre-existing dimensioned family type, and if you click OK, this changes. Or you can also change the family type from here. You see, it increases the dimension and decreases as per the dimensions mentioned in the file. From this family type, I hope that is clear. From the project browser, you can access the floor levels, different levels, plans, 3D views, elevations, sections, renderings, sheets. This is the sheet where you can create a project plans, elevations, all in a single sheet. And you can access the families, different groups, and other Revit links. From the bottom right corner, you can these commands help to selection tool, like do not select levels, do not select the pinned element. We will go through this topic as we move forward, proceed with the other course. So that's the user interface for Revit architecture. So see you all in my next video. Thank you.